Hey plant lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, bringing the outdoors in. I'm here to share 5 fantastic vegetables that not only thrive indoors, but also make your home feel like a lush oasis. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious beginner, these tips are for you. Ready to roll up our sleeves and get growing? Let's get started. Number 1, green onions. These flavorful and versatile greens are a staple in many kitchens, and they're incredibly simple to grow. Simply place the white ends of the green onion in a glass of water, tilt it towards the light, and change the water every couple days. In no time at all, you will have a thriving bunch of green onions ready to add a punch of flavor to your meals. Number 2, lettuce. Leafy lettuces like romaine or butterhead are excellent choices for indoor gardening. Their loose heads make them perfect for container gardening. Just use a shallow container. Keep the soil moist and provide about 12 hours of light daily. And before you know it, you'll be enjoying fresh, crisp lettuce in your salads. Number 3, radishes. Yes, radishes love to be snug in a container. Their small size and quick growth make them ideal for indoor spaces. Plant radish seeds in a small pot filled with loose soil. Water it well and place it in a sunny spot. Within a month, you'll have an abundance of crunchy, spicy radishes to enjoy. Number 4, spinach. This nutrient-packed green is another fantastic choice for indoor growing. Spinach is a cool season crop that doesn't need tons of light, making it perfect for areas with less natural light. Plus, it grows quickly and continuously. So sow spinach seeds every couple weeks for a steady supply of fresh greens. And there's a bonus tip for all you herb lovers out there. Herbs like basil, parsley, and chives are not only easy to grow indoors, but they also bring incredible flavor and fragrance to your kitchen. They're compact, they smell amazing, and they're totally worth the effort. Grow them on a sunny windowsill and snip them frequently to keep them growing. So which one of these indoor veggies are you most excited to grow? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for more indoor gardening tips and subscribe to our channel for more. Until next time, happy gardening and happy growing.